Alan Turing stated in 1947 that what we want is a machine that can learn from experience. And that was the beginning of machine learning. Machine learning involves the use of artificial intelligence enabling machines to learn a task from experience without programming them specifically. There are many career paths in machine learning that are popular and well-paying like machine learning engineer, NLP scientist, data scientist, software developer, computational linguist. You can learn about the skills required to pursue these career paths by enrolling into a course that best describes the core concepts and applications. Explore an online certification in applied data science, machine learning, and edge AI by E&ICT Academy, IIT Guwahati. Enroll now.